The evolution of energy theory offers a perspective on life that emphasizes the flow and transformation of energy through living systems. Here is an explanation of life according to this theory. Life as energy circulation. Dynamic energy systems. According to the evolution of energy theory, life can be understood as a dynamic system where energy is continuously circulated, transformed, and utilized. Living organisms are intricate networks of energy exchanges, where biochemical processes convert energy from one form to another to sustain life. Metabolic processes. The core of life processes is metabolism, which involves the transformation of energy from nutrients into usable forms, like ATP, and the elimination of waste products. This constant flow and transformation of energy are fundamental to maintaining the structure and function of living organisms. Homeostasis. Living organisms strive to maintain homeostasis, a stable internal environment, by regulating their energy flows. This involves complex feedback mechanisms that adjust metabolic rates, energy intake, and energy expenditure to ensure survival and optimal functioning. Adaptation and evolution. Life evolves through the adaptation of organisms to their environment, driven by the flow of energy. Natural selection favors those organisms that can efficiently harness and utilize energy from their surroundings, leading to the evolution of more complex and adaptive forms of life. Reproduction and growth. The ability to reproduce and grow is a hallmark of life. These processes are energy-intensive, requiring the acquisition, storage, and utilization of energy to create new cells, tissues, and ultimately new organisms. Reproduction ensures the continuation of energy circulation across generations. Complexity and organization. Life is characterized by increasing complexity and organization. From single-celled organisms to complex multicellular organisms, the organization of energy flows becomes more sophisticated, allowing for more efficient energy use and greater adaptability. Life in the context of energy flow. Interconnected systems. All living organisms are part of larger energy systems, including ecosystems and the biosphere. The energy flows between organisms, example through food webs, and between organisms and their environment are crucial for the sustainability of life on Earth. Energy sources. Life depends on external energy sources, primarily the sun, which drives photosynthesis in plants and forms the basis of most food chains. Other energy sources include chemical energy, example from chemosynthesis in certain bacteria, and thermal energy, example from hydrothermal vents. Conclusion. According to the evolution of energy theory, life is fundamentally about the circulation, transformation, and utilization of energy. Living organisms are dynamic systems that harness energy to maintain their structure, perform metabolic functions, grow, reproduce, and adapt to their environment. The complexity and diversity of life arise from the continuous interplay and evolution of these energy processes. Understanding life from this perspective highlights the intricate and interconnected nature of all living systems and their dependence on the flow of energy.